In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to play Roblox on your Nintendo Switch. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical tips and tricks. To get started using Roblox on your Nintendo Switch, first power on your Switch and navigate to the home page. From there, open the System settings from the menu panel. Once in the settings, scroll down the left-hand side menu and click on Internet. This will open the Internet settings, where you need to select Internet settings. The system will begin searching for available networks in your area. After the search is complete, you'll see a list of available networks. Select your internet network from the list. At this point, three options will appear. Click on Change Settings. You will then be directed to a page with several settings, including the DNS settings. Scroll down a bit to find this section and change the DNS setting to Manual. Once you've done this, click on the Save button to confirm the changes. After saving, two new options will appear: Primary DNS and Secondary DNS. In the Primary DNS field, manually enter the DNS as shown on the screen: 045.055.142.122. After entering the correct numbers, click OK to save the primary DNS. Now, exit out of the settings and return to the Internet settings page. The system will begin searching for networks again. Once the search is complete, select the network where you've changed the DNS settings and click Connect. The connection may take a few moments, but once it's successful, the system will redirect you to a Google search page. From there, click on Continue to Google to open the search engine. Once Google is loaded, type Roblox into the search bar. The first result should be www.roblox.com, which is the official website of Roblox. Click on the link, and once the website opens, click Login at the top right corner. Enter your credentials and click Login. You are now ready to use Roblox on your Nintendo Switch. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.